So Elgato stole my idea. Not really. Something that I'd been speaking about in a previous video about Streamdeck and the way that it was underutilized. They've now put as an option in their newest update. We'll get into that after the small intro. Okay, so as you can see from what we've got here, Elgato came out with their 5.1 update on their Streamdeck. And this kind of has to do with what I said in the beginning about them taking my idea. I'll put the link in the description and the little thing up in the corner about the video that I did on this previously on how I did it originally before they did this update. This is what I meant by they kind of took my idea. Probably had it before then, but I've been using it this way for a while now. So we'll go through it. It's an update called Pages. Pages is an exciting new functionality for Streamdeck, adding an intuitive way to organize actions for quick access. The same way you'd flip through the pages of a book, Pages let you flip through different key layouts, otherwise known as profiles. With Pages come 3 new actions. Again, I did this with the profiles on switching them, and you should really go watch the video I did on this. It's exactly the same thing as what they're doing now, but they did it internally with something specifically designed for this thing with like page buttons and stuff like that. You could have done it my old way, same way. It's just this is what they're calling it now. So there's a next and a previous page button. This will navigate through pages one by one. Go to page, go to a specific page number. Again, I did this prior with my video on how to make a 15-key Streamdeck have infinite keys. Again, link is in the description. This is why, but this is interesting that they're finally doing this after all this time. Page indicator indicates or displays the current page number. You could have done that with some macros and stuff like that prior, but they're making it more pretty with their own software. Whitelisting. Streamdeck 5.0 added thousands of royalty-free tracks and sound effects to Streamdeck. Unfortunately, accidental or even fraudulent copyright claims can still occur. With Streamdeck 5.1, add your YouTube account to Streamdeck automatically. Add it to the whitelist. This should reduce or even eliminate the chances of receiving a false copyright claim when you use Streamdeck music and sound effects in your videos. Audio claim dispute form, that's where you can do that. All right, so let's get into this right here. Okay, so as you can see down here at the bottom, right here, where my mouse is circling right here, you have something called Pages. And now I already added some, and you can remove these if you want, just by if you want them to be removed. But there's 5 pages right here, and then you have a little arrow that lets you click to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it says it adds like new profiles and stuff like that, but it does it a little bit differently on the back end. Anyway, these are your pages that you can flip back and forth to it. As you can see from mine right here, I've got the home button. You can click on the home button, and it goes to my home, which is essentially what the pages are: Lights, OBS, and Twitch. If I was to click on like OBS, it would go to that, and then there's a home button down here. You click to home, it goes back to that one. Lights, you click to Lights, and it goes to Lights, and there's a home button right here. Same thing, only they do it with this little arrow button, so we can go to the next ones. Okay. If you come over here to the right-hand side and you scroll down to Streamdeck, you see this go-to page right here, switch profile, which is something new, and then page indicator. If you want it to indicate the page, that number that it's in, you just drag it in here, and now you see that it says page number 1. Same thing. It doesn't automatically put this in here. You would think that after adding a page, it would automatically put it one of your keys. Maybe they'll add that in the future. I'm making that as a suggestion right now, but as of right now, you have to take the page indicator and drop it in here. Page 2. Go back, page 1, page 2. Okay. And that's pretty much what pages do. You can go in here, and then if you have like the page 2, and you can put a home button to switch profile right here, and you come down here and you add it to whatever default profile you want. I'm gonna delete that one. Delete. So that's how pages work. Kind of a short video. If you want to do this, or if you like this, or if you think it could be better, or if you like my way better, you know, with the video that I already did, let me know in the comment section below. But this is pretty much all that their newest update does. It's nice to see that they instituted something like this. So yeah, short little video on their new update. If you guys like the content, or if you like the previous video or this one, consider hitting the subscription and the notification button, and I will see you in the next one.